Hello Aries, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the month of June. Love messages from your person. We will get messages from your person and see what they have to tell you. This is for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. So Spirit, for the people who are going to hear this message for Aries, messages from their person please. What message do you have from their person, Spirit? Aries please. I'm still loyal to you. You are the reason of my smile. Please stay. You really turn me on. Last message from Aries person, Spirit. I like to make you feel jealous because it gives me assurance that you are still holding on to me. I know you are obsessed with me. Aquarius got the same two messages. So could be dealing with an Aquarius, or I'm sorry for being selfish, or you could be having Aquarius in your chart, Aries. I'm never gonna come back to you. At the bottom we have I'm done. This person is very conflicted in his or her emotions, Aries, or it could be possible that for now things are fine between you guys, but at the end of this month, this person, you guys are gonna get into some argument and this person is gonna leave your life for a time being at least. Could be dealing with an earth sign, or could be married to an earth sign. Okay, I'm still loyal to you. If this person has rejected you, Aries, or you have rejected this person, if you have, like, if you don't communicate with this person, if you ignore this person is telling you that this person is still loyal to you, Aries, even if you have rejected them. If this person has rejected you and you guys talk on and off, but this person wants to tell you that for some reason, if they cannot accept you in their life as a lover, but this person is still loyal to you. Maybe it is a long distance relationship. You guys are at a distance from each other. You cannot travel to that person. You cannot meet your person. So this person is telling you that this person is still loyal to you. But someone is feeling rejected here. And someone feels that the other person is unattainable, or this relationship unattainable. Separation, I'm getting separation here. Someone has walked away. Either you or your person. If this person has walked away from you, could be a third party situation, but if this person has walked away from you, this person is still juggling in his or her life and this person is still loyal to you. They couldn't connect with someone else like they are connected with you. You are the reason of my smile. This person could be a third party situation, Aries, but this person, you could have gone to a school or college with this person or met this person at a workplace. Maybe you guys work together, but this person sees you in office or every morning, so you are the reason of smile on their face. This person is still watching you. This person is still willing to cooperate with you, make things right with you. This person still admires you, Aries. This person is stalking you. This person is definitely stalking you. At the same time, this person is at the crossroads. I'm getting that if you go for a work and this person, like, if this person's office is on a way, this person likes to come like before you and watch you from a distance. That's what I'm getting here, like actual stalking. If not, then this person likes to see your pictures on social media, but I feel this person waits for you to come. Maybe this person waits for you to post something. If you guys are at a distance. Someone is very disappointed here. I feel you walked away from this person's life because this person was already married or committed with someone else, and or this person could not give you commitment, and this person is very disappointed, Aries. Right now this person is very disappointed and this person is asking you, please stay. This person wants to reconcile with you definitely, and this person wants you to stay in his or her life. This could be a past life relationship for some of you. This person wants to communicate with you, Aries, and I feel this person is gonna text you and ask you to please stay in his or her life. This person could be acting very detached right now, but this person is thinking about the past, and I feel this is your energy, like you are acting detached from this person, but this person wants to reach out to you. Could be dealing with a Sag or a water sign, but this person feels that soulmate type of connection with you, very strong connection, and connection is mutual, Aries. Could be a soulmate connection, twin flame relationship, something like that. Past life relationship. Yes, you really turn me on. This is about passion, and this is not only about passion. The way you love this person, Aries, that really turned this person on. Like this person feels that passion for you, and but these are their emotions. Like this is out of love, and this is not out of lust. That's what I'm getting here. This is love. This person, if this person has walked away from you, this person want to reach out to you, Aries. This person is going through that pain. Like things ended between you guys, and this person wants to reach out to you. I feel this person walked away from you because of some women in their life. Like this person could be very committed to their work and did not give you that priority, did not give you time. They did it deliberately to hurt you, to make you jealous, and I feel this person could have a tendency to act very detached. I'm also getting this person is very self-centered person, very cold person who is very good at work, but this person who is committed to make you jealous. That's what I'm getting here. Very cold energy, very detached person. Like this person can hurt you badly and deliberately. I know you are obsessed with me. This person is acting very defensive. This person don't open up their heart towards you, like they don't open up their heart towards you, and this makes you restless. This makes you chase them more, and this person knows that, Aries, and this person knows you are obsessed with this person because this person don't confess his or her true feelings, and this is the reason you are still chasing this person, because you want to hear that at least for once, like this person do feel the connection. This person definitely feel the connection with you, Aries, but this person is acting very defensive, and I'm getting like this person knows that this is about passion. For most of you, I'm getting you did not actually have sex with this person, but you used to sex chat with this person, or you just want to meet this person to fuck them, and this person knows that, like you are obsessed with them that in that way. This person always held back from you. This person did not talk to you, or even if this person talked to you, then this person did not open up their heart towards you, and this person knows this was very selfish of them, because I feel you just opened your heart towards this person, but this person did not. So this person knows that this is very selfish of them, and like this person knows that this is very selfish act, and this person is sorry for that. This was their ego, not to open up their heart. This was the ego, not to be vulnerable in front of you, to just watch you from a distance, because this person has some past baggage. You may or may not know it, Aquarius, but this person knows this person has drained you with this connection. I'm never gonna come back to you. This person is trying to move forward in his or her life, guarding his or her feelings. This person is turning his or her back from you, Aries, because this person wants a real deal now. This person wants to settle down. This person wants to get married with someone. Could be a water sign, but this person is like turning his back from you, and this person is looking at something else now, something that is very real, something that is very stable, and this person wants to offer their cup of love to this energy, and this person is turning your back from you now, Aries. So this is what I'm getting here. Yes, This person could be interested in Libra Aries. This person could be interested in Libra energy. Libra or Taurus, anyone. But this person seeks stability with that person. For where some of you I'm getting, this person is looking for marriage because of their mother. Like this person wants to get married, which their mother would approve. A person which their mother would approve, but this person will always, this is a couple, this is amazing. But when it comes to you, this person feels you as their partner, their perfect match, and for now I feel you both are looking at some different directions. Like you are still waiting for this person, but this person has his focus on somewhere else. But this person really loves you. This person has passion for you. So what I'm getting from here is eventually this person will be in your life, but things are gonna go slow. You guys, there's a tendency to get into an argument with this person if you guys are not talking. Just keep this, like leave it alone. That's what I'm getting here, because eventually this person will come towards your life as your husband, Aries. And this is a couple, power couple here, King and Queen of Rods with the Lovers at the bottom. Strong passion here, strong sexual energy. And three of you guys are gonna reunite eventually. Yes, for some of you I'm getting like this person's or your someone's mother could be an issue of this breakup for now. So this was your reading, Aries. So I really hope it helped you. Bye bye and take care.